Ai, ai, ai. Nicht kaputt gehen, du. Oh nein. It's okay, it's okay. Wie mache ich das denn hier? Ach. Oh, Stefan, kannst du das für mich machen? Ich habe was vergessen. Wo habe ich das gesehen? Da, Hanna. 1,50. Y'all, I just devastated IKEA. Like 2 big trolleys. And I only paid there's a lot of money, 140 euros. Like, tomorrow if you go to IKEA in your pyjama, I think you have to, they will give you 25 euros bonus. But let me see if I want to go there tomorrow with my pajamas. Like, I wanted to just look at something so I can come tomorrow with my pajamas. Like, if I tell them that this is my PJ, who is going to tell me I'm lying? This is my PJ, going to IKEA with my pajamas. Nee, Stefan?
Ja, bitte.
Oh. Wenn ich IKEA sage, dass das ist mein Pyjama ist, mein Schlafanzug. Wenn man morgen kommt ins Bett. Listen, I'm going to do a haul. Like, I'm so happy. I paid. It's not even babe that paid for my plants. Okay, let us try. I don't kill them this time. A lot of goodies. JJ is not behaving, and voila. I have to tell you something. Like, you are laughing here like crazy. So, okay, it's something like almost 9 p.m. It's Saturday evening, and we are going back home after running a lot of things. Right, we are tired, so we even had to nap before going out for the. Look, I even have how's it called? Chopsticks here, because JJ, like, this is anyways, let me tell you what just happened. So baby's driving and we are talking, and I was on WhatsApp and talking about, you know, chatting her, and all of a sudden he says, oh my god. I said, what is it? He's oh my god. And then he starts laughing. So what's wrong? I kid you not, like Saturday evening, people are living their best life, and he's still smiling and laughing. Like so, we are like in a living area, right? And sometimes in between you have these. Let me show you. This one is coming on the left side. We call it Zebrastreifen in Germany, Passage clouté in French, but I don't know how they call it in Israel. So it is a place like this right now. Okay, so on that place, she's like, you have to always stop. Like even if a pedestrian is going like 1 centimeter after 1 centimeter, you have to wait. So they have the priority there. So a woman goes there, turns like on our way. You know, her dress up like this, and shows her behind, and then runs back. Hat sie gelacht?
Das habe ich nicht gesehen. I don't see it.
Was hast du denn gesehen? Komplett so. Hatte sie eine Unterhose an?
Nein.
Sie hatte keine Unterhose. She didn't have anything under, like no underwear.
Sie hat ihren Rock hochgemacht und dann ihren Hintern rausgestreckt.
Vielleicht eine Wette verloren oder
so.
so.
Ein großes Geschäft.
Mit einem dicken Alter oder wie? Eine schmale Frau oder wie?
Schmale Frau.
Blondine?
Nein, ich glaube Brünette.
Brünette, aber so schnell wieder weggerannt. God forbid. Hast du gefallen?
Was denn? Hätte ich was Braunes gesehen? Nein!
Okay. I don't have any battery. Bye, people.